Dear audience, I'm Wang Yingguang from China Mobile Jiangsu Corporation. I'd like to introduce to all of you our Catalyst project, Exploration and Practice of Network O&M Transformation. A new networks and services keep evolving. Carriers' traditional network O&M modes cannot meet the needs of agile response and efficiency improvement and face many challenges. In the B2B field, global enterprise requirements for cloudification are increasing, bringing new business opportunities for carriers. Our company recorded a revenue of RMB 390 million in public cloud in 2020, and is expected to reach 960 million in 2021. However, two major constraints are at play for the cloud network services. One is the weak provisioning capability. It takes 14 days to provision a cloud network private line, which cannot quickly respond to customer requirements. The other is low-level automation O&M. Inspection and maintenance of 14 cloud resource pools is mainly performed manually. When it comes to B2C, as the main branch of China Mobile, our company maintains more than 8,000 servers and devices. As a result, over 9,000 network alarms are generated per day, yet we are ill-prepared for handling the faults across layers and domains. Our company performs more than 30 cutovers every month. Necessary manual attendance before and after each cutover results in low efficiency. In addition, the number of 5G user complaints increase rapidly and difficult to diagnose. Therefore, we plan to implement the network O&M transformation. We seek to form a new O&M mode supported by a self-developed team of 3 engineer roles, an integrated R&D support tool chain, and closed-loop standard work process to provide basic development capability for career and employees. Based on this system, we explore automatic provisioning of cloud private lines and cloud resource pools inspection for B2B services, and 5G fault management robots, automatic on-duty robots, and network complaint handling robots for B2C services. The two cloud network cases will shorten the provisioning time and improve the inspection efficiency and accuracy. These 3 robots use cases will help reduce the number of 5G network alarms, enhance the fault handling capability, and reduce the cutover attendance and complaint demarcation duration. That's all for our Catalyst project trailer. Thanks for your listening. Please scan the QR code to go directly to our Catalyst space where you can view additional content, follow the project, and contact the Catalyst team. Thanks for listening.